Hi everyone! Did you know that you can now learn financial literacy, investing, and even blockchain technology in a completely new way? Meet Toilet Paper Hands, an innovative educational animation series making financial education fun. Our colorful animation series tells the story of Flush, who climbs his way up and learns the secrets of investing, blockchain technology, and general money management. The story of Toilet Paper Hands began when its creator, Alan Ibarra, wanted to teach his son financial wisdom. He noticed that there was a lack of learning material that would be engaging and easily understandable for kids. All the material he saw was very dull, difficult to find, and definitely not kid-friendly. That's how he had an idea to create Toilet Paper Hands, a clever and fun storyline supported with an e-learning management system where students can learn anything from financial literacy to money management to stocks and investing and much more. Some of you might have heard the terms paper hands and diamond hands from Wall Street Bets. Our character, Flush, has toilet paper hands. He's a newbie in the finance world and just really needs to learn how to get that paper. Toilet Paper Hands was created to fill the gap in education systems around the world where nobody's talking about money. Toilet Paper Hands gives the tools to learn finance in a fun way. Our mission is to help students to learn to think critically, to understand the concepts of economics, business, and Web 3.0, and hopefully to stimulate curiosity of careers in finance, investing, and blockchain. Financial education is important because for building wealth, it's important to understand how money works. And 67% of all adults around the world are financially illiterate. Many don't know what a financial statement is, or what investing is, or how to grow their money. There are also many misconceptions about investing, like it's only for the wealthy ones, or that you need to be already wealthy to start. Globally, money is changing, the shape of work is morphing, personal financial responsibilities are increasing, and more households need to generate multiple streams of income to survive. People that are educated in money have better chances of increasing their earning potential. Financial education is also another important way to share knowledge about new things like Web3, blockchain, and NFTs. Financially literate people are able to organize their money to meet their future goals and make smart financial decisions. They possess more than one stream of income. They know how to manage their money through saving, borrowing, investing, budgeting, earning, and protecting. Those with a lack of financial education may live from paycheck to paycheck and usually above their means, spending money on liabilities or ending up with a lot of bad debt. Toilet Paper Hands e-learning courses deliver lessons in financial literacy, blockchain technology, and insightful investing concepts as a way to bridge the gap between current economic education and the opportunities of Web 3.0. Digital learning is the quickest growing market in the education industry, showing a whopping 900% growth since 2000. With the rise of e-learning programs, it's now more possible than ever to provide alternative educational materials that students can access online. What's more important is that educators have the resources to nurture a skill set preparing students for financial independence. It's crucial to develop entrepreneurial citizens that know how to navigate the latest evolution of the internet to coincide with the shifting employment landscape, since it's evident that not just school-age kids need to develop new technological and financial competencies, adults who never received this education may find themselves at a disadvantage as well. Learning about blockchain and other Web3 technologies helps students to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, becoming more confident and empowered users of the internet. Empowered users who will then leverage the internet with increasing skill as web technologies continue to shape the future of the internet. There are a total of 6 courses to be available, teaching everything from financial literacy to money management to banking, economy, entrepreneurship, and even stocks and investing. Our first free course will be launched on the 1st of October. Subscribe and follow us on our socials to stay updated.